about to.
Where my socks at?
Bitch, if you don't bust it wide open, I'm gonna be
You want me to
mad.
bust mine open? Don't get me started.
I'm gonna be mad if you don't bust it wide open, dog. Cause if you don't bust it wide open, I'm gonna bust it wide open. Somebody gonna bust it wide open in this bitch.
Is this your purse?
Either you hear me, dog. Look, she position ready, dog. Everybody waiting. Everybody waiting on the DJ, dog.
Wait, everybody was watching that?
Everybody waiting on the DJ, dog.
Was everybody watching that?
I don't know. A lot of people was over here, though, nigga. They're like, that's a freaky stance, dog. She's standing freak.
Come on, stand back.
She a freak. Hey, chill out, she gay, dog. She gay.
She's stripping for real.
They keep fooling on us, but we in this bitch. No, then they about to get that bitch.
Move my tail, and it's about to go out. I am not playing.
Word.
No.
What do you say? Oh shit. These niggas out here full of that. Shut up, Keith. Fuck you. Fuck you. Why she tripping, dog? She fucking tripping. My bad, baby. I ain't meant to do that, yeah. This nigga about to get stopped. Damn. Why she tripping?
Are you recording me?
No.
Yes, you are.
Say no, I am. Cause I gotta remember everything when I'm drunk. She give me all kisses, baby. Danielle from Inktown.
Not from Inktown. Don't tell me.
Where you from?
Nowhere.
Oh, she ain't from nowhere. She from Rainbow Land, baby.
I'm what?
You from Rainbow Land?
Oh, yeah, okay. Any more cake left?
Hey, you that one freak that be there. I'm about to interview. I'm about to interview your ass. King, she that one freak.
Freak all day. What she talking about?
Tell her go drop that dun dun dun.
Drop that dun dun dun. You on that too, baby? Oh, hold on.
Happy birthday, girl, because I didn't tell her happy birthday yet.